you have a stale bread problem, then I have a tasty solution. Today, we're going to put a spin on an old school classic and make Jack and Coke bread pudding. In the kitchen, it pays to be resourceful. So many great dishes were born out of necessity. So much so, in fact, that it would be hard to imagine a culinary world without them. Bread pudding is one of those dishes. It's both flavorful and elegant, and it's a prime example about showing a little creativity and a little ingenuity can help to create something truly special. Today, we're going to put our own spin on this legendary dessert by mixing it with another classic, Jack and Coke. Okay, so the first step in making bread pudding is you need to prepare the bread. Now, in this case, you want your bread stale, at least 1 to 2 days old, because you want your bread to soak in all that delicious custard like a sponge. So let's get started. Now that we have our bread prepared, now we need to make our Jack Daniel's custard. Now I know making custard can be a little intimidating for some people because you're afraid of it curdling. But the beauty of bread pudding is all the cooking of the custard is done in the oven. So now that we put that fear to rest, let's get started by making a super simple and delicious Jack Daniel's custard. Jack Daniel's bread pudding is in the oven, now we need to make it a Jack and Coke bread pudding by working on our Coca-Cola syrup. And it is super simple. Here's how. Okay, now because I love bread pudding, I kind of want to gild the lily a little bit and take an extra step to finish this dish with something extra special by making a Jack Daniel's whipped cream. There you have it, a way to take a bit of stale bread and turn it into a delicious dessert. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. If you found the video useful, please feel free to share it as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.